Delicious Bobby.
The way they always say me, they be like say, bro, say, you get what they will say, I dey sleep, I can't dream, say, I just hear my name from beside dream, Bobby.
Delicious Bobby.
By the time I look back, I say like you, boy, I be like.
Oh, see, as I dey, you know what I'm saying, they drip pure water inside dream that time.
Bro, so be pure water.
They don't carry bill, come you for the life.
Bro, say you know say nowadays for inside dream or like before the things when they break up for dream, they bring fried rice and chicken, they go bring better food. You understand?
Food where you go chop for dream, you know regret saying.
Nah, I come they bring up something like gari. They don't broke for inside the spiritual world.
Food where you go chop fish, cause you wake up with annoyance. Which kind of rubbish? If I want chop for dream, I don't chop better food.
You go back wake up.
Oh boy, that can remind me of one event where I do. High profile event.
Okay,
if
boss.
I say high profile, I mean the event was high profile. High profile. If you are not invited, you know the. Even those where some people where they invite self now extension they put them because if you know really when they say high profile, I mean high profile.
Okay now.
You know, and now those events where no they too take too many people because now one small restaurant, Chinese restaurant, now they do am. You know, see people where come there.
Okay.
You go see person, you come they look yourself, say you sure say I be person.
Hi, they be like today bread.
See skin, tia. Oh boy, some of them be like, I know they match ground.
I tell.
Chai.
Kai.
Now one woman I call catch my attention. One top Lagos-based businesswoman.
Okay.
You know, they say make we not talk this thing come out. In fact, when this incident they happen self, they don't allow video. Everybody turn off your.
You don't forget say you get talk for sense.
You know, I say I must talk this thing. I must talk her. This woman come enter event. If you see her dressing, she dress. Sure when the person say I dress to key. That woman dress to key. You understand?
Yeah.
In fact, when she entered the event, all eyes was on her because the things reveal. Things reveal now. Oh God, even my spirit come off my body, go sit down near her. You know, things reveal. You know. But the way catch me pass now, eyelashes. You know those eyelashes where they long come out, come curve for front again.
Carry weight.
Can't dim eye can't dim, you know, I can't dim like this. To open eye can't they hard because the weight of the eyelashes too much for the eyelid. You understand? So you can't weigh the eyelid down. So to raise the eyelashes up, na problem. I can't dim. You know, I know say all those Chinese people, their own food. You know, say for normal food that they come out for fire.
Yes.
You understand? But Chinese food that they come out fire inside the food because they serve her with fire. You understand? Every cha 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 cha. So they carry this one combo. It is the boy cha 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 cha. Now the guy just put them on top table where the woman sit down. He not reach 2 seconds. I do my shout, my eye.
Wait happen.
Eyelashes don't catch smoke. He not catch fire. The smoke from the heat of the smoke.
Yes, oh.
Now he catch the eyelashes. My. Bobby, it good to know what to do part time. Oh,
I tell you.
people who know what to do part time, they don't know what God do for them.
Na me now.
One guy where sit down opposite the lady.
Yes, boss.
And now smoke the guy see. The Jameson where they drink. Jameson.
Hey.
Where the guy they drink. Now the guy pour for the woman.
It don't end.
He might be say he want quench smoke. Pour Jameson. I be pull. Eyelashes cuckoo catch fire.
Oh boy.
Not be small thing no. Fire. You think all they smell like goat where they roast.
God.
Oh boy, now so.
Aye.
They carry water. They pour. Everybody they pour water. Everywhere they pour water. Makeup don't wash. Eyelashes don't burn. Small thing remain for catch her eyelid.
Na God save the woman.
Na God o say people wey get good mind come that event. The two wey come pay me pass for the OTBC.
Yes.
When they bring bill, I don hear the celebrant dey complain. What is all this? Must she put on big eyelashes? Must she wear such a thing? You know the kind. Must she come like that? I say wetin happen? I say the bill wey dem give her for water wey dem take quench the fire for eyelashes e pass the bill wey dem give her for water wey everybody drink.
Oh boy na.
Oh be small thing na there. I know say the rich also complain.
Quench fire finish.
So alright, based on that level, ladies and gentlemen, our brothers and sisters in the Lord and in general things, and now with open eye and clear mind as usual, now we take welcome una come on top the portmanteau today. This one I sure we tell una say e dey always get the mind to chook mouth for all the matters where other programs wey dey fit chook mouth put. And na me Osagiato, that fine proud Benin boy wey una dey call talk. Na just still sit down here, so and I still dey here with my honourable fellow.
Na so boss, my name na Bamidele Okpayemi Bello, everybody they call MC Bob, and we dey inside the studio, the portmanteau studio. We're gonna bring out the topic as they ought, inside the portmanteau today.
Na so. Those of una wanna know us, na know immediately we let una know our name like that, and our cup of coffee we go collect. So, and those of una wanna just watch the program for the very first time, and our cup of coffee now we go collect. So, we not go anywhere. We come back now.
Na so.
Oh, that is funny.
The good taste of coffee.
Coffee is good.
But maybe they can't use me for advert for coffee. Take some coffee.
I dey sorry for you.
But bros, I don't know. Why did they use big people? They do advert for singlet. I didn't notice that thing. And all of us they wear singlet. Why would I sleep?
You know good. They know Mona show the amusement park.
We don't wear singlet.
Una dey wear na, but you know say when big man wear singlet sometimes they be like say na April. Alright, so now welcome back our viewers. We want to thank all of now that don't subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yes.
Those of now that never subscribe, the YouTube channel they down below our screen right now. Search us on top YouTube, the Portmanteau Today TV. Now be our YouTube channel. Make una subscribe, like, and then also press that bell so that anytime we drop any new episode, you go there among the first set of people where go they receive the alert. Okay, Bobby. Recently.
Yes, boss.
Or some time ago, in order to take,
okay.
A video of Pastor Paul Adefarasin, that is the senior pastor of House on the Rock, went viral.
Okay.
It was a video where Pastor Paul Adefarasin was heard telling his church members or the general public that they have to have a plan B.
If you don't have a plan B, I know you have faith. But I have faith too, but I have a plan B. And with technology, I can speak to you from anywhere in the world. Get yourself a plan B, whether that's an Okada to Cameroon, or a flying boat, or speedboat as we call them, to Seme-Border, or, a hole in the ground, a bunker. Get a plan B, because these people are crazy. They're nutters. The whole bunch of them.
Since when that video come out, I can't think of the word plan B. You get what I try to say? I can't think of the word plan B. Does a man really need to have a plan B? Or how important is plan B to a man? Now, I'm not looking at it from one angle. I'm looking at it in general perspective. How important is plan B to a man?
Yeah, boss. Plan B is very important. As a matter of fact, plan B is germane in every human's life, especially for a human that is that has plans in life for one thing or the other in every sphere. Before now, I know they believe in plan B. I'm a one-way traffic person. I did difficult to change in perspective. Don't you tell me say this thing, if this thing don't work like this, use this one. If I tell you it's nonsense. Until I started having heart attack, emotional breakdown over my plans. Some of my plans say I go don plan now, I go don map now, do the everything, do the bobo, plan the dimension, everything plus or minus, bam, launch am. I no go get any other plan. I go just run with it with vision. And say in this part of the world where we dey so, make your plan no go hit one button. Wey be say you no go fit turn, e go affect person emotionally. So when it affected me, say 1 or 2, 3, 4 times, when people say I do wrong with my plan, it dey fail like that. You know, they work out. The thing go affect me. We say, in fact, it don't get one way say I land for hospital. Why they do blood test, do everything, they don't say anything for my body. Now the doctor say this guy is having emotional breakdown.
Wow.
You understand? Bros, so they, not first, so I know the discipline man. Singles, eh? If you don't a dead woman, they get plan B, try to they get plan B. Because bros, even to that level, sir, sir, if that lady don't they do, if you don't they push out, it can't fail you, bam! You don't get where to run to, you don't get another plan to fall back to, you feel die. There was a time like that, just sincerely, sir. I read for a particular exam.
Okay.
You know, I was told, one of my senior colleagues, let me say, that this part they always come out from exam. Foolishly. I can't
read only that part.
Only that part. I read that. Now my plan be that. So when I enter,
you go finish them.
By the time exam question come out, when he hit me, now background chop throughout. Small time remain, I feel the crack. Everything now talk about like this on now they play for my head. So in life generally, boss, if they go make person get plan, because in case if that your one single plan, I know I understand the place of faith, but if that your one single plan should fail, so that you go fit a right on the other plan. So now my own position be that say, if that pastor talk, you may bring, boss, you may bring.
It good, but yes, me, boss. I not believe in plan B. I know they get plan B for mind. For anything where they do. That is me. Personally. I just tell you my own. Personally. I don't believe in plan B. I don't always have plan B.
Why?
Because anything where I dey plan, say this thing, I dey planner, I want do this thing. I dey sit down with am well. The only thing where they ring for my head, now anything worth doing.
It's not doing well. Anything worth doing well.
You understand me? So now that one I dey ring for my head if I dey get plan. So that is why I know they ever remember say I should have a plan B.
Yeah.
You get what I try to tell you now. So because anything where you dey plan, you get to sit down with them. I say, man, sit down with them, look everything in total.
Yeah, boss.
Forecast that's your plan. Forecast them with the present condition of your environment. Wherein you dey plan that thing, look at the environment where you go execute that plan. You understand? Forecast that your plan with wetin dey on ground and wetin you fit feel say this thing fit dey on ground.
Logically, yes.
You understand all these kind of things?
Yes,
now you see that is the problem with many people. Many people don't have time to sit down with their plans. They just have 2-3 minutes plan and they hit. And by the time they fall, they say na winch. They'll come, they look for plan B here and there.
Yeah.
You get what I try to talk now? But if you have a plan, you have something you are pursuing, you sit with it. You sit with it, look at it integrally. You get? Check that thing well.
Yeah.
Before you pursue am, before you hit am.
Give a spectacle.
I gathered experience from this animal. I was watching this Nigel World some time ago.
Okay.
And a cheetah wanted to strike.
Okay.
You get? He won't strike antelope. Group of antelope dey. The cheetah won't strike. At least na only one he go fit pick because antelope big.
Yes.
The cheetah sit down with them. They no know. He did there, they strategize. You understand? Of course, if that cheetah pick immediately, he go see one catch. But he don't look and say he no wan fail. I don't want to fail. I want to go once and get it.
Failure is not an option.
You get? I want to go once and get it. The cheetah stay with those antelope. Stay with them. They no see am, stay with them until all of the antelopes relax. They don't eat, they don't relax. Now this cheetah pick. He pick like this, before he do 1, 2, 3, he don't catch one. That is how to sit with your plan.
Strategic. Boss, no verse. Sorry that I want to come in here. I want to ask you a question. You know me, my plan when I talk about plan B is in all sphere. Socially, everything. Now, boss, I know say you be, as a well-established compare and a stand-up comedian in this country. When you dey go show, you go iron. I know you now, and they see the way I know I always admire the way you pay the dress. You go iron your clothes, Tasha. Inside your car, boss, tell me, say you know the guy, not the alternative costume for inside your car.
It's possible.
What if me that one?
Wait, you can't call that a plan B.
In case, what are we going to call that?
We call that one backup. We call it backup.
Backup.
Yes.
Or
Not be plan B.
Plan B.
Not be plan B. Now backup because that cloth I not plan to wear am. Which are the talk come since
Yes.
I not dey against plan B.
Okay, boss.
But I know they do plan B. I dey prepare myself. You get what I try to tell you now?
Yes,
because this plan B don't put many people into problem.
That's
You get in fashion industry, you all know. You fit wear clothes or they wear skinny trouser now. You fit go as an MC, maybe you want display me trouser tear. You run, go motor, go wear. Okay, it's okay like that. Okay. It's okay in that perspective.
Yes.
But we are talking in other meaningful human existence perspective.
Okay, sir.
You get what like what pertains to human life, human living, human existence.
Yes.
I'm not sure that you get what
I understand you
now.
perfectly.
If you have a plan as to something, you know that this thing is what you want because the eye wey me I dey tell look plan B na eye of alternative. An alternative can never be like the original.
Never.
It will never give you the same satisfaction that you will have gotten if you had vehemently strategically pursue your plan A.
Yes. Correct.
Are you getting me now? Because I have an example of a friend. We finished secondary school together.
Okay.
You get those days when we finish secondary school, the time when we finish secondary school na the time where all these institutions begin dey crop up. Something institution, diploma in this, advanced diploma in that, certificate in this. You understand? You know, so this my guy do JAMB like 2-3 times.
Yes,
he no make am. He look say he don dey old. You go take one of these certificate course. From there, you do diploma.
Okay.
You understand? You do diploma. Now private institution, you do diploma. They give am diploma. Before you know, you get work.
Okay.
You start to dey work. This is what we dey talk. So even we where we dey school, we dey call am. We dey go meet am. Cause phone not dey. We dey go meet am for where they work. He go square us. We need money. Go give us 500 naira, 1,000, 1,500. Yes, he dey settle us that time. You get what I try to tell you now? They do the job. We go school.
Yes, sir.
You understand? In pursue JAMB, e no fit hit in plan A, now e fall back to wetin e call plan B. You get what I try to talk now? As I'm telling you now, that guy now is stuck in that diploma he has. Because from work, he begin dey earn salary. If you don dey work those days, you don dey earn salary, you don fit rent one room or rent room and parlour. Wetin the next? Family go say marry. Once you marry, responsibilities don start. You get children, responsibilities don increase, bills don dey increase here and there. That guy is stuck with that diploma he has. Not even in a government owned institution, private institution. That institution now I sure say they don close down. That school now, that institution they don close down. He could not further his education. He got stuck in that plan B. You get now? Now where we stick to our plan A, say we must do this or nothing. Look at if you see the gap, not that but we are just citing reality, real examples.
But boss, shey you know say that person, that your friend, no be plan B him fall to.
Wetin he come fall to?
He fell into something that he could pick up anytime. You see, plan B as it implies is something you plan for outside your initial plan. It is something you thoroughly plan for. So no be something wetin a lot of people dey do na just when their plan don fail They go there emotional, break down psychologically. They go just pick up anything wey they see. They don't usually plan for that thing. They are always victim of circumstance. It will just happen immediately. When it happen like that, you will come dey look for how I go take bail out, how I go take bail out. They don't have a solid plan. Those plans no dey get foundation. Plan B, e be like plan A in case if plan A fail. But wetin a lot of people dey do na something to suit their emotion, a succor, another succor, and which is likely to fail. Some will get comfortable. Anything wey be say plan B, moving into plan B is not a, you are not dying plan A. It is just by circumstance, like you mentioned. For example, Nigeria now, this country is we're in a sorry case. Is a fact. That is why so many people look for alternative. That okay, say our medical doctors, for example, you see what's in they happen for that industry. I read from a research somebody came out with. He said between April to date, UK has given about 300 and something medical doctors personnel full-time job. We are not talking about India. We are not talking about Qatar that came the other time. We are not talking about Dubai.
Saudi Arabia.
So, do you think these people wish to have an alternative plan to the plan of serving their country? No. But as it is, they have to sit down to map out another strategy to give themselves a cooling relief. But if they don't plan well, and they just say, we are moving to another country, they will fail in that country. That is not the plan B. A plan B is something you structure out or facilitate a structure for. That in case this one does not work because of situation and circumstance, because of anything can arise, laws that guide the great vial of the granum law of a state or something that affect you, that this one will not work, I can fall back to this one. Something you plan from, we get roots, proper roots. And that one be plan B. If you get plan C, if you get plan D, say.
Okay, if you take am from that angle,
yes, boss,
I will agree with you.
Thank you.
Partially, not fully, because like what you said,
yes,
plan B, the word plan is in it.
Plan.
You understand? It has to be planned.
Yes,
because in most cases, people don't plan B. They just see plan B as a yoje. You get what I try to say? They're not they plan B, and that is why most of them get stuck in plan B, and that is why I don't fancy plan B, because it's better I don't have an alternative plan to what I am planning. Because once I have an alternative plan, I will not, as I'm supposed to pursue it.
Yes.
Because I know I have an alternative, and that alternative is not really what I want. Are you getting me now? So on that angle where you say plan B should be planned for, yes, it's even to me, you should even plan your plan B more than your plan A.
Yes. Because
plan B is a salvage to your plan A.
Yes.
It's not a succor. It's a salvage. You get what I'm trying to say? So let's understand the differences. Plan B is supposed to take the place of a salvage to your plan A, not a palliative to plan A.
Yes.
Are you getting me now? But that is not the case in the settings of so many people. They see plan B as a palliative. Say if this one don't work, I just pick. And that is why many people got stuck in the problem or in the issues or in the troubles that they are today, because their plan B was not planned. They just saw it as a palliative or as a succor,
yes, in
case if plan A did not work. Just like the traveling out, like the perspective Pastor Paul Adefarasi was taking it from.
I know you have faith, but I have faith too, but I have a plan B. And with technology, I can speak to you from anywhere in the world. Get yourself a plan B, whether that's an Okada to Cameroon, or a flying boat or speedboat as we call them, to Seme-Border, or a hole in the ground, a bunker. Get a plan B, because these people are crazy.
You see, if you are taking traveling out as a plan B, then you must plan your traveling out. Not that because you want to travel out is your plan B. You want to try, just enter road, travel by road.
Go Mediterranean.
Go die. Many have died.
Yes.
You understand? So that is not a plan B as far as I'm concerned. You understand? A
for.
plan B must also be planned for. So if it is not what you actually planned for beside the original plan, then it's not worth it. It's frustration that you meet there.
Yes.
It's frustration.
To ask you a question, sir. What's your plan B to Nigeria?
I don't have a plan B.
Your plan is Nigeria.
I don't have a plan
Nigeria.
B. As to this country, I don't have a plan B. If I had a plan B, I would have left this country a long time ago. I just have that faith and I have that belief that this country will work.
In Nigeria, I have plan C, plan D, plan E, plan F.
That is you.
I have to plan Z.
I know say that's your Instagram Naija. Oh my jalojo kan. And they suspect you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's how we go drop our own mouth on top the plan B matter. In case you get any contribution to make concerning this plan B matter, I beg hit our WhatsApp number as it is scroll on top your screen. So make your own contribution there, or you get any contrary opinion to wetin we don talk about plan. Me, I say I no dey do plan B. I believe in whatever I'm facing and I believe that this thing it must yield either e like am or not. But Bobby say in dey get plan B, plan C, plan D, plan E, plan F, it's okay for am. But if you are in the same vein, please hit our WhatsApp numbers is screen on your screen, so make you let us know your mind on top this plan B matter. Okay, make una no go anywhere. Make we take this short break. When we come back, we will come enter the next matter where enter inside the portmanteau today. Welcome back to the show. This one is still that show where we dey call the portmanteau today. Before we enter the other matter, we enter the portmanteau today. I want first of all say a very big thank you to all of una one that don subscribe give our YouTube channel. We dey thank una, we dey see una hand. Thank una too for all the comments where una dey drop for our YouTube channel. We dey thank una too. All the likes we dey thank una. Those of una one that never subscribe, I beg the YouTube channel dey on top, below our screen there. So just type am as the word come out on top our screen. Make yourself for join this happy family where they always dey watch the portmanteau today on YouTube. They no dey charge, na free of charge. They no dey collect anything put. Once you don subscribe, like our videos, hit the notification button so that you sef go dey among the first set of people wey go dey get alert of every new episode where we dey drop. Those of una wanna get anything una want make we help una loud on top the portmanteau today, una get any market where una dey sell, or una get any services wey una dey render, abi una get anything, any business wey una dey do, una want make we help una loud am on top the portmanteau today. Our marketing department number dey on top the screen now. Make you reach them, just call them. Na simple thing, very very simple thing. Before you know, your market or your product don dey on top the portmanteau today. Those of una wanna dey organize any program too, like you get church program, una wan do crusade, una wan do deliverance service, una wan do anything, any program like seminar, workshop, anything, any program where you get and you want make we help you talk about am on top the portmanteau today, just hit the number where dey on top your screen. And our marketing department, they go tell you the procedures of how to go. And na me, Osagiato, that fine proud Benin boy, one that they call talk, I just still sit down here, so and I still dey inside the studio with that my honorable hello.
Yes, it's still your boy Bamidele Opeyemi Bello, wey people dey call MC Bob. We still dey for inside the portmanteau studio.
All right, our people, we dey implore una say make una follow us all on our social media platform, because the time when we get inside the studio here, they reach us take talk deep inside all the matters where we dey carry come, the studio, like this in-era thing. I get plenty things where we supposed to talk about, but we go see the talk am on top our social media platforms. If you want follow me on top Instagram and Twitter, my handle na at the real talk at alphabet D real talk, and on top Facebook na Osagiato talk OSAGIATORTALKTALK. Send me friend request, I go accept you, and sharply just like that we don become friends be that. Broso,
if you want follow me personally, if you follow me, I follow you. On top Instagram na MC Bob, like my boss here we talk 9 that 9 and number 9. And then also for Twitter na MC Bob 9 till we stop using VPN. And on Facebook is Bamidele Opeyemi Bello, also known as MC Bob. MC Bob, basically Bamidele Opeyemi Bello for Facebook. I beg, When they connect, you know?
Na so more they connect, make we dey connect. Also our people na so go take drop coin generator on top the show today. Don't forget say you get to go take your vaccine. Go and get vaccinated. Coronavirus na real and e still dey go everywhere. E still dey Nigeria, e still dey everywhere. America people dey fight different variants. South Africa still dey lockdown. They never still fit come out now. So abeg, we where God just still take better thing favor for here. Make we not take am for granted. If you have anywhere, make sure you go and get vaccinated. It is for your own good and it is for the good of that your fellow brother or that your fellow sister. Based on that, don't forget say you be Naija. Anywhere where you dey go, make sure say you dey rep this country well. Don't follow them put hand for wetin go spoil this country name. Not do drugs because you no get any better thing where they do for body. Sam, as well we take come on for the studio today. Zoom. So